To get started, you want to make sure you really have 6 skirt pieces. You should have cut out 2 front and backs, which I have colored in this pinkish color, and then 4 of the side pieces as well. And basically, the front of the skirt is going to have 2 side pieces with the front in the middle, and the back of the skirt will have 2 of the back pieces with the back in the middle. So you're going to sew, let's see here, this seam will be sewn together, and this seam will be sewn together. That seam will be sewn together, and that seam will be sewn together. And then this is now over here is our side seam. So, so you'll sew the front pieces to the back. To apply the waistband on, you'll take right sides together and sew it around the skirt. So I have my right side, which is that like kind of pinky side, facing down on the skirt. Now the fabric's blue because it's frozen in the software, but it's right sides together, and you sew all the way around the whole circle. Then, because we don't want to deal with raw edge later, you're actually going to fold in the seam allowance, so about 1/2 inch away from the raw edge. Oops, I'm doing this right. Oh yeah. Try that again. You're gonna fold that so that seam allowance, yeah, is folded in. Okay, I know it's kind of hard to see in this 3D software, but just folding that 1/2 inch. And then, you know, the waistband, you can pull the waistband up. Let's see if I can, okay, and so get the waistband kind of pulled up here. Okay, I'm trying to defy gravity and pull it up, because we're going to flip the waistband in, basically, is our next goal. There it goes. Okay, good. Okay, so our raw edge is folded in, and then we need to fold it again to make the casing for the elastic. So, so fold it one more time down. Okay. And it actually should meet this seam line here. So I think I have my fold line in the wrong place. So you'd fold it halfway so that it will, oopsies, oh, come here, cover, yeah, and then you can just top stitch it into place and then insert the elastic to make the elastic casing.